This is the Quilted Northern Ultra Plush toilet paper, and this is in the mega pack. You're gonna get 12 mega rolls, which is the equivalent to 48 regular rolls. How awesome is that? And what's really awesome is this is 3-ply toilet paper. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Look at this big mega roll size. Pretty big, right? So you know what that means? Less times to change the toilet paper roll. And it is triple layer. That means it's ultra soft too. Let me show you a close-up of what you're gonna receive. Here's a close-up of the toilet paper, and it's also very easy to pull off. And look how thick it is. It also is quilted. And here is the back and front, and it feels so soft. It is also low lint as well. Perfect. Another nice feature, these have no dyes, no ink, and no fragrance either, and they're septic safe. Perfect. And each of these rolls have 255 sheets of toilet paper. Awesome. And I definitely recommend it. It is so soft and gentle against your skin. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.